Welcome to Printful's Design Series. Neon colors have become one of the biggest trends in today's fashion. To achieve the aesthetic neon look, often you need to add different glow effects, which can cause semi-transparencies in the image that we need to avoid. That's where the halftone effect comes in handy. For this tutorial, I'll be using this design that has a glow effect placed on a separate layer. I'll create a copy of the original project file where we'll create the halftone effect. Then I'll rename the created copy and open it. This is where we'll be working with the silhouette of the original design. We'll need the original file later on. I'll start by turning all the layers to black and white. I'll select the glow layer, then go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Desaturate. You can also achieve this effect by selecting black and white in the Adjustments panel. Let's do this on the design layer. A new window will open up where I'll set all the digits to a maximum of 300%. Since we'll be applying the halftone effect to the semi-transparent areas, we want the letters to have a solid white color in order to remain unaffected by the changes we're about to make. Press OK to apply this effect. Once that's done, go to Image, select Mode, and choose Grayscale. You'll be asked to merge the layers in a new pop-up window. Press Merge. Then another message will appear where you'll be asked to discard the color information. Press Discard. Next, I'll decrease the radius of the fading part that's left from the glow layer by adjusting the contrast using levels. Press Ctrl L and play around with the settings until you get your desired result. Now we're going to convert the image to bitmap mode. Go to Image, Mode, and select Bitmap. You'll be asked to flatten layers. Press OK. A new pop-up window will appear. Make sure you set it to at least 1000, 1500, or 2000 ppi in the output field. This controls the resolution and will make sure your halftones have smoother edges. Then under Method, choose Halftone Screen and click OK. In the next window, you can control the frequency, angle, and shape of the halftone. With lower frequency numbers, you'll create larger spots. You can experiment with 6 shapes: round, diamond, ellipse, line, square, and cross. You may want to avoid higher frequencies as they'll create very small dots which will cause trouble later in the editing process and can also lower the quality of the print. Since I'll be using a round shape, the angle degree won't matter. I'll set the frequency to 20 and press OK. When we zoom in, we see that the dots don't cross the solid white area where our design should be located. If you notice that the dots do cross the solid white areas of your design, return to the moment where you adjusted the contrast in the Levels window before converting to bitmap mode. Next, I'll change the image mode back to grayscale and adjust the DPI to what it originally was. Go to Image and select Image Size. There, in the resolution window, change it from 1000 back to its original digit. In my case, that's 300. Next, I'll unlock the layer by pressing on the lock icon in the Layers panel and rename the layer to Halftone. Select the halftone layer, then press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy everything. Next, open up the original project file and duplicate the design and glow layers. Select both of them by holding down the Ctrl key and drag them to the Create a New Layer icon, located under the Layers panel. Now, I'll merge the duplicates by right-clicking on them and choosing Merge Layers. Next, hide the original layers by pressing on the eye icon located here. Now, select the merged duplicate and create a layer mask by pressing here. Next, hold down Alt and click on the Layer Mask thumbnail. This will allow you to edit the mask directly. Now, I'll paste the halftone shape onto the mask by pressing Ctrl V. To view the finished result, click back on the artwork thumbnail. If the original file doesn't have a background, it's important to add one and merge it with the design. If you apply this effect onto a semi-transparent graphic, it won't fix the transparency issue. You can see that when we switch off the background layer and the dots are still semi-transparent. To fix this, hold the Ctrl key and click on the mask thumbnail. Now add a solid color layer by pressing here. Choose a color that's slightly darker than the one used for the glow effect. You want to make sure that the design doesn't blend in with the selected color and press OK. All that's left to do is drag the color fill layer under the shape layer. As you can see, this particular example will only work with printing on dark shirts. If you're looking for a file to print on lighter shirts, merge the original graphic with a different color background. Sometimes you need to create multiple versions to get results that work for a wide variety of shirts. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and let us know what other neat things you'd like to learn to help you create awesome product designs. See you next time!